Today we're making deliciously scented Treacle Toffee whipped body scrub, which is perfect to get you in the autumnal mood. For a list of ingredients and equipment, check out the description below. Take your 400 grams of foaming bath butter base and with an electric whisk, whip the base until it comes soft, fluffy and full of volume. Add 12 grams of Treacle Toffee fragrance. Give it one final whisk to combine. Next, add 30 grams of olive seeds for a gentle exfoliation. You can add more if you prefer a scrub with a little extra texture. Fold the mixture in with a spatula until it's all combined together. Now, separate half the mixture into another bowl. In one bowl, add orange mica powder and in the other, add black PCD dye. Only use cosmetic-safe colour dyes. Stir in well with each colour until it's rich and evenly blended. As you mix in, feel free to add more colour dye until you have reached the desired look. Next, spread the sheet of cling film onto the surface. Lay the mixture side by side. This will help the piping process avoid blending the colours in together. Roll the cling film into a cylinder shape. Cut the excess cling film off to ensure it's not blocking the mixture from coming out the piping bag. Get your piping bag and cut the end big enough for the piping nozzle to peek through. Insert your piping nozzle. Add your body scrub into the piping bag. Apply pressure by using a twisting motion which will help force the body scrub through the nozzle. Now it's ready to pipe into your containers. We are using our tin jars that are available on our website. Slowly start piping in circular motions, getting the edges to create neat, satisfying swirls. Take your time. Piping can take time to master. The more you make, the more you will improve your craft. And that's it, your Treacle Toffee whipped body scrub is ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more videos like this.